So I'm Mike Wilson, I'm Chief Automation Officer at the MTC, and I'm also Chair of the UK Automation Forum, the panel discussion that we've just held. We were here to talk about the challenges that SMEs face in terms of the adoption of robots and automation, particularly related to the procurement, the finance, the training, the skills and so on. So how would a typical SME undertake the journey of installing their first robot system? Right now, industry is facing many challenges, but in particular, we have a skills shortage, we have a labour shortage, we have productivity issues, and we want UK manufacturing to be successful and to grow. And one of the ways of achieving that is through greater adoption of robot automation. The UK unfortunately significantly lags most of our competitors around the world, so we're trying to find ways of encouraging and helping SMEs to undertake this journey and to get started installing their first robot automation systems. Ultimately, we want the SMEs that are attending the show over the next couple of days to actually go and engage with the automation vendors that are present at the show to start the conversations, because it is all about starting. One of our panelists talked about it was about a year from when they first started thinking about automation to actually placing their first order, because they went through the various steps that are needed to make sure the project would be successful. So the key to all of this is to get started. So we want the SMEs that were present listening to us today to find the suppliers that are out in the exhibition, to go and talk to them and start those conversations.